Hey, today I have the 7-in-1 tactical pen. It comes packaged in this nice gift box. It makes a great gift. Let's see what's inside. Comes with instructions. This is the way it comes packaged in the box. You get one tactical pen. Very nice design. This is made out of aircraft aluminum, very strong and sturdy for self-defense. It also comes with 4 extra ballpoint pens. A stylus. And extra batteries. Let's take a closer look. I really enjoyed using this tactical pen. It will definitely be included in my everyday carry. This tip is very strong. It can break glass, metal, and a seatbelt. It also comes featured with this multi-tool. It has a bottle opener, a screwdriver, and a wrench. It also comes with a flashlight, which has a high beam and strobe mode. And inside you have your ballpoint pen.